Hello garden friends, in today's video I'm going to paint a new door for my garden, and I'm also going to share one of my secret painting techniques that allows me to make perfectly shaped round petals in case you want to paint flowers somewhere in your garden too. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Liz. I garden in California and I currently have 19 doors in my garden. 19 doors and counting. And in my opinion, there's always room for one more. It's a fun way to add color to my garden without relying on flowers. The zebra door has always been one of my favorites. So let me change my clothes and show you how it's done. Of course, I start with a nice clean door. If they're dirty by the time I find them, I'll wash them off really good and let them dry. What you see me doing now is applying the first coat of paint. I always find my doors either at a garage sale or somebody just left them out on the curb or in the street for the dumps to pick them up. It's funny because I'll be driving by and I'll say to my husband, "Look, there's a door. I could paint that." I've also found my antique doors at a place called Habitat for Humanity. It's like a home improvement store, but everything is sold at a really good price. My antique doors, I don't think I paid more than $30 for each one, and that's a really good deal considering they're so old, and some of them even still have all the hardware on them. After the second coat of paint dried, I decided to paint the inside panels white. You know, when I start painting a door, I don't always have a plan. Sometimes I just start applying paint, and as I'm doing so, then the ideas just start coming to me. Now let me show you that special little trick I was telling you about in the intro of this video. Now I'm going to make the flowers, and I want to show you a fun little trick. I'm going to use this little cup from my laundry detergent, and what I'm going to do is just dip it in here. This is just to get an outline. So that will be the center petal, and then I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That way I'll have perfect shaped petals. Of course, I could do this freehand, but I mean, why not just do this? It's easier. And it's fun. And I'm going to paint the inside purple, and I'll probably outline all the petals in black. And they don't have to be perfect because flowers aren't perfect. And it's a good way to make use of all the paint that was on the lid. See how easy that is? And one more. Super fun. I could have made 6 petals or 7 petals, but whenever I do flowers, I like to keep them in odd numbers. I don't know why. It's just the way my eye and brain works. There, now it's time to paint them in. It's your thing. Do what you want to do. I can't tell you what the song you do. Say it's your thing. Do what you want to do. I can't tell you what song you do. If you want me to love you, maybe I will. Believe me, woman, it ain't no big deal. Putting the final touches on any of my art projects is always my favorite thing to do. I just love the detail, the final little touches, and using black just kind of highlights everything and gives it a nice, complete finish. That's just what I see in my mind and in my heart. You know, all the gifts that we're all born with, a lot of times it's really not something we choose. It's a God-given gift that was given to us at birth. So whenever you have a passion for something, or a desire, or a burning urge in your heart to create something or do something, that's what God gave you. That's what He gave each and every one of us. So we're all so different, and we all have a different special gift that we were born with. Painting, and I mean, I'm not a trained artist, I'm not the best artist, but I am an artist when it comes to color and putting things together and just creating happiness. And there's a Bible scripture that says, whatever you do, whatever you eat, whatever you wear, whatever you do it all for the glory of God. So when I know that God has given me something, I like to give back and use it to glorify God, to make other people happy, to make other people smile, because anything that I do is because God gave it to me. He gave me the ability to do it. So I hope whenever I create things, it just makes you smile and it makes you happy like it does me. I think my new door fits perfectly behind my scarecrow. I love all the bright colors, and it seems to attract the hummingbirds as well. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and perhaps this will encourage you to paint something for your garden too. Bye!